Tomb of Hakim Omar Khayyaam. Hakim Omar Khayyaam's tomb is in Nishapoor, Iran. Today we are visiting Khayyam's tomb. And what is a good opportunity that today is also Khayyam's birthday. Preparations are being made for a special program here. And Iranian people have attended here in large numbers. We also attended and recited the Fatiha. Omar Khayyam was a great scholar of knowledge and mathematics. He is also very high in poetry and speech, and his knowledge and grace have been recognized by the people of Europe. Khayyam's quatrains are very popular and most translated into other languages. Omar Khayyaam was a Persian polymath, known for his contributions to mathematics, astronomy, philosophy, and poetry. He was born in Nishapoor, the initial capital of the Seljuk Empire. As a scholar, he was contemporary with the rule of the Seljuk dynasty around the time of the First Crusade. As a mathematician, he is most notable for his work on the classification and solution of cubic equations, where he provided geometric solutions by the intersection of conics. Khayyam also contributed to the understanding of the parallel axiom. As an astronomer, he calculated the duration of the solar year with remarkable precision and accuracy and designed the Jalali calendar, a solar calendar with a very precise 33-year intercalation cycle that provided the basis for the Persian calendar that is still in use after nearly a millennium. There is a tradition of attributing poetry to Omar Khayyaam, written in the form of quatrains, rubaiyat. This poetry became widely known to the English reading world in a translation by Edward Fitzgerald, Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyaam, 1859, which enjoyed great success in the Orientalism of the Fin DC clay.